Hello everyone. So I'm building SX7 cabinet and from an eSports. So basically you can see there are two different SSD options. So you need to do one thing to fix the SSD. First of all, you will get this kind of black color washer. So you just need to put it through the put it through this hole, and then you need to put this screw. You can see this is the screw. This is not kind of a thing to adjust it, so you'll get it with this washer. So you just simply use SSD to lock it from the back side or front side. And you need to remember, before you put your motherboard, make sure you fix those SSD, or else you cannot fix the SSD. So this is Zen. I hope you watch this video. If you do, share with everyone who bought this SX7, because SX7 does not contain any kind of documentation, or either they support through customer care. So make sure you support by sharing it.